So I'm looking for leaks this morning, and I covered a couple videos where we talk about vacuum leaks and searching for them, and I was able to determine it was on this leg of this 3/4 that comes up, and this is 1,000 feet from the release or so. But one thing I've noticed the last couple days, we had a couple 60-degree days, and what happened is any of these little chews, bugs are coming to, and if you look carefully, there's a moth sucked into the hole, and there's a fly, a sap fly, sucked into the hole. So we had 2 holes there at least. There's some others, little ones. But telltale sign, you look around after a couple warm days, these bugs are attracted to sugar, and they're right there on the lines, right at the holes. And they usually suck right into these little slits and can't get out and die right there. So you can, if you're walking along and you see a bug stuck on the line, it might just be a problem. So I'm gonna go ahead and patch this up. Hopefully that fixes one of my leaks. I think I got several up here, but it's one thing to watch for when you're looking for leaks. Have a good day.